Alright, you can see Justin is getting the Dynamat laid into the Chevelle body. Do it all the way up into the firewall. And you can see he's got the Vintage Air AC unit hung on the firewall. The line's running out. You see Justin's working on more of the components here. He's got the Flaming River column in place, as well as the pedals. You can see the low car pedal on the right. He's got the Wilwood master cylinder installed, as well as the steering down to the rack and pinion. Here's just a quick look at the gauges that'll be going in the Chevelle. These are by Dakota Digital. They're RTX gauges. Then here's the dash, reproduction dash. So the old dash was green, this dash is black. And I just found out myself that we're actually going to be converting the entire interior over to Super Sport interior. So it's a good looking reproduction dash. Here you can see Justin is starting to lay out the wiring harness, fuse panel. You can see Justin is starting to assemble the front clip of the Chevelle. See, Justin's got the other front fender on. There was some rust repair done to that. And he's got the driver's side inner fender in place. Justin's been working on the plumbing, both hard lines and soft lines, sizing up radiator hoses right now. He's also been starting to lay out some of the wiring harness. So a lot of the small, tedious, kind of behind the scenes stuff going on. Justin's getting the console and the dash ready for install. See, the dash is getting really close to install. Justin's continuing the assembly of the interior. Now I just finished getting the shifter installed. So dash is coming along nicely.